Do you know how to draw neurographic lines? Today, we'll explore this creative journey together, and I will share some tips to help you draw neurographic lines with ease and great effect. It's okay if you feel intimidated and worried about making mistakes. Embrace them. Luckily, there are no mistakes in this art form. What some might call mistakes are where the magic happens. The key is to relax and enjoy the process. Some artists suggest drawing the neurographic line freely and intuitively. This can be good and relaxing, especially for beginners in neurographic art, which is an easy and fun art form. However, if you want to draw a true neurographic line, you'll need to learn the technique and practice it over time. The first obvious feature of the neurographic line is that it has no patterns. Straight lines, ornaments, sine waves, or zigzag lines are not neurographic because they repeat themselves. Their patterns and repetitions make them predictable. The reason we aim to draw unpredictable lines is a topic for another video. But today, let's focus on the basics of creating neurographic lines. All you need is a pencil or marker and some smooth paper. Here are some suggestions to get you started. Experiment with different turns and movements of your hand. Keep your hand relaxed. Focus on the process rather than the outcome. Don't worry about perfection or whether you're drawing it correctly. The essence of the neurographic line is that it flows without any preconceived pattern or repetition, yet it responds to your inner state and emotions. Here how you can draw the neurographic line. Start with the intention. We call it a topic or theme in Neurographica. Set a clear intention before you begin, such as relaxing the mind or staying positive. Hold your pen loosely and lift your hand slightly off the paper. When you feel the impulse to continue your line in one direction, change it. Even slightly, just change it. Make sure your hand isn't repeating the same motions. If you notice a pattern forming, change direction or speed. Try to keep the line continuous without lifting your pen off the paper. This helps maintain the flow and connection with your subconscious. Focus on the sensation of the pen moving across the paper, staying fully present in the moment. If you want to make this drawing session more fun and meditative, try using a coin or button. This technique helps focus your attention and relax the mind while creating neurographic lines. All you need is a button, bottle top or coin, a piece of paper, a pen or marker. Choose a small, comfortable object. The smaller and lighter, the better. Place the object on the paper and begin to move it slowly in various directions. The idea is to create a flowing line. Let your intuition guide the movement. Don't force the line, let it flow. Aim to create curves and loops. The neurographic line should not repeat itself. Each movement should be unique. If you encounter a resistance or feel stuck, gently shift the direction of the line. This is part of exploring new neural pathways. Once you have a continuous line, look for intersections or overlaps. Use your pen to round off sharp angles and connect different parts of the line smoothly. This is essential in Neurographica. However, the topic why we round the corners and how to do it is a topic for another video. While drawing, pay attention to your emotions and thoughts. This practice is not just about the visual outcomes. It's about self-discovery and expression. The more you practice drawing neurographic lines, the more natural it will become. Over time, you will develop your unique style and improve your ability to express your thoughts and feelings through this art form. Yet, to fully experience the benefits of drawing neurographic lines, I suggest learning how to draw them without any prompts or additional tools, just by using your hand, marker, and paper. Neurographica, and even neurographic art, it's not about the final drawing. It's about you. You are the artwork that you are creating. Try new things, make mistakes, and let your imagination lead the way. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and share your insights in the comments below. For more inspiration, check out my other videos. And if you want to learn more about Neurographica, please check the links in the description below. Happy creating!